How to filter in Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is basically click any cell in the data range, or just highlight the specific columns and rows you want to filter. Let's say here, for example, simply just select all of these right here. Then you want to go and create a filter. So go to the top menu and click the data right here and click create a filter. Then, after that, simply just apply a filter. You can funnel icons which appear in the header of your selected columns, and then click the funnel icon in the column you want to filter, which is right here. And then, after that, simply just choose your filter type, whether it's by values, whether it's by condition, or by color. And additionally, you can also turn off the filter by simply just going and removing the filter back in right here and just remove the filter. But if you don't want to remove, simply just choose the filter right here. You can also sort it right here, A to Z, Z to A, and it's that simple. Filter by values from 1 to right here. You can also filter that and clear it and right here as well. So it's up to you on how you want to filter it. And that's how you can basically filter in Google Sheets. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification